There's a reason some machines go down in history. They aren't just tools of war, they're legends. For decades, the M1 Abrams has been a towering symbol of power, innovation, and battlefield supremacy. It rolled onto the scene with a roar, unmatched in firepower, protection, and mobility. But times change, and so do wars. Today, a seismic shift is happening. The U.S. Army, known for its relentless pursuit of dominance, is taking a bold step forward, one that could rewrite the future of armored combat. The M1. Abrams is evolving, no, it's being completely reimagined. This isn't just another upgrade, this is the birth of something new, something extraordinary, the M1E3. But why now? Why abandon the upgrades that have kept the Abrams relevant for decades? And what challenges lie ahead in this ambitious leap into the unknown? To answer these questions, we need to uncover the full story, a story shaped by innovation, hard lessons from the battlefield, and the ever-looming threats of the future. To understand where the Abrams is headed, we need to look at where it's been. Introduced in the 1980s, the M1 Abrams was a game-changer. Over the years, it adapted to new threats through iterative upgrades. The M1A2S CPV-4, the latest variant, seemed to promise the next level of battlefield dominance. Packed with cutting-edge technology, the V4 boasted advanced sensors, better targeting systems, and a focus on survivability. Features like the third-generation forward-looking infrared system, improved laser rangefinders, and color video capabilities were impressive. On paper, it was a tank designed to thrive on modern battlefields. But sometimes even the best plans reveal their flaws. The V4 struggled with weight and logistical demands. It was a technological marvel, but carried with it the burden of a design that had reached its limits. Reports raised serious concerns. Could the Abrams, even in its most advanced form, dominate against increasingly sophisticated adversaries? The answer was unsettling. It was time to think bigger. The M1E3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. It's a tank designed to face the challenges of tomorrow, not just adapt to the threats of today. The Army has taken everything it learned from the Abrams' long history and applied it with a fresh perspective. The core philosophy behind the E3 is modularity. This tank isn't a fixed design, it's a platform built to evolve. By incorporating open systems architecture, the E3 ensures that future upgrades can be seamlessly integrated. No longer will the Army be forced to overhaul the entire system to stay competitive. And then there's the weight. The goal is to cut the Abrams' massive 73 tons down to under 60. A lighter tank means greater mobility, a crucial factor in modern combat. But how do you make a tank lighter without compromising its legendary armor and firepower? That's the balancing act at the heart of the E3's development. The battlefield is evolving. In recent conflicts like the war in Ukraine, tanks once thought invincible have been neutralized by low-cost, widely available technologies. Drones, long-range precision weapons, and unconventional tactics are reshaping how wars are fought. For the Abrams, this has been a wake-up call. Mobility, adaptability, and survivability have become the new holy trinity of tank design. The E3 embodies these principles, focusing not just on withstanding attacks but avoiding them altogether through stealth, speed, and advanced defenses. But the question lingers, can a tank like the E3 truly balance these competing demands? Recent history has shown us that even the most advanced systems can falter when faced with real-world complexity. The Army is betting that the E3 will be the exception. Innovation is the heart of the M1E3. This isn't just a tank, it's a glimpse into the future of warfare. At its core is a hybrid powertrain, a significant departure from traditional tank propulsion systems. This hybrid engine reduces fuel consumption, improves stealth with silent drive capabilities, and aligns with the broader push for greener technologies. Silent drive, in particular, is a game-changer. Imagine a tank moving across the battlefield undetected, its engine a whisper rather than a roar. But this innovation raises new questions. Will the hybrid engine compromise the speed and mobility for which the Abrams is famous? Only time and rigorous testing will reveal the answer. Another groundbreaking feature is the autoloader system. By automating the process of loading ammunition, the E-3 reduces its crew size from 4 to 3. This efficiency not only streamlines operations but also opens the door to design changes such as a lower-profile turret. However, critics are quick to point out the reliability issues that have plagued autoloaders in the past. Will the E-3 succeed where others have failed? Active Protection Systems, APS, are another standout feature. The E-3's APS goes beyond traditional defenses, countering threats like drones and anti-tank missiles with unparalleled precision. Inspired by the trophy system, which has already proven effective in combat, the E-3 takes it a step further by exploring directed energy weapons such as lasers to neutralize drone swarms. It's a bold vision, but will it be enough to keep pace with rapidly advancing threats? The E-3 isn't just about what it can do now, it's about what it could become. The Army is already considering potential upgrades, such as a more powerful main gun. Whether it's a larger caliber or a more advanced variant, this could further enhance the E-3's firepower. Directed energy weapons are also on the horizon. Lasers capable of disabling drones and other threats could revolutionize tank warfare. And thanks to its modular design, the E-3 is perfectly positioned to integrate these future technologies. This forward-thinking approach reflects a shift in military strategy. The E-3 isn't just a tank, it's a platform for innovation. But with so many possibilities, the challenge will be ensuring that these advancements are practical and reliable. The E-3 isn't being developed in isolation, it's part of a larger vision for modernization across the U.S. Army. From hybrid electric vehicles to advanced infantry fighting systems, the military is embracing a more efficient, adaptable approach to warfare. Programs like the Tactical Hybrid Electric Vehicle Initiative highlight this shift. The E-3 fits seamlessly into this framework, offering a blend of efficiency and capability that aligns with the Army's evolving needs. But modernization isn't just about technology, it's about strategy. Can the E-3 adapt quickly enough to keep up with the rapidly changing nature of war? The M1 E-3 Abrams is more than a tank. It's a vision for the future of armored combat. It represents a bold step forward, balancing innovation with the hard-earned lessons of history. But as with any ambitious project, success is far from guaranteed. If you found this journey into the future of armored warfare as compelling as we did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement fuels our mission to bring you more stories about the cutting-edge technologies shaping tomorrow's world. Share your thoughts on the M1 E3 in the comments below. Do you think it's the game changer the Army hopes for? We'd love to hear your perspective.